The air around us carries more than we can see. Viruses, harmful chemicals, dangerous pollutants, all invisible threats to our health and safety. Introducing Aerovou, your intelligent guardian against airborne dangers. Advanced bioaerosol sensors detect viral markers, helping prevent infections before they spread. Chemical signature mapping identifies everything from mold to hazardous spills. Comprehensive VOC monitoring protects you from invisible toxins in everyday environments. Precision climate tracking ensures optimal comfort and safety. Instant alerts and predictive analytics keep you informed through our intuitive smart platform. From healthcare facilities to smart homes, Aerovou delivers peace of mind across industries. Aerovou, your air, your safety, your intelligence. Visit us today to breathe easier tomorrow.